Hello, welcome to eLeaP. In this quick video, we will show you how you can get compliant with the 21 CFR Part 11 FDA regulation. This is a standard that applies to life sciences industries, but really to the general corporate world when it comes to doing business with the government or just being certified with the government on certain quality standards. Okay, now the standard has a bunch of parts. I believe there are like 20 different clauses or so. I'm just going to go through a few of them and show you how this eLeaP system allows you and ensures that you stay compliant. First off, our system ensures that when a user is created either through a direct login or through a single sign-on, that they have to access the system using user IDs and passwords. We also have within the system audit trails that let you see exactly what is going on within your account. It shows you edits to courses, edits to user records, and so on and so forth. Very transparent. We also have within the system the ability to institute the auto logout function. This is a core component of the CFR Part 11 standard, where if a certain amount of inactivity is detected, users are required to be logged out automatically. And so we can certainly use this option here where you toggle this and edit this to be able to institute the logout configuration that you want. In addition to that, the system of CFR, the standard, excuse me, requires that you institute e-signatures. That is a core component of this tool. And what we have within the system of eLeaP here is the ability for you to easily toggle the e-signature required on. And if you do that, that particular training or course then is going to be required to be completed correctly. And if there's a quiz completed correctly and successfully, then added to that the requirement that the end user actually signs their completion so you stay compliant. We have within the system the ability for you to log down the order in which end users navigate through your content. So you can either log down the order within a single course, or if you have multiple courses, the training path tool allows you to institute certain parameters where, for example, folks cannot just skip past certain lessons or certain courses. They actually have to go through sequentially. And then to top all of this out, we are a validated system. And so we have the certificate, we have the documentation to ensure that if you need to present this to any agencies or certifying groups, that you do have the certificate of completion or the certificate of validation from eLeaP to show that this is a computer validated system, a software validated system. Let me show you just quickly how this all looks in real life. Okay, so I am going through this particular course here. I have an SOP here. Let's just pretend this is an SOP that I'm required to view. I am going to the next, just for fun. If I don't complete this the material, by the way, this certificate, software validation certificate. Okay, if I don't, for example, complete this course successfully, if I don't put in my e-signature like I have not done right now, this course is going to stay as non-completed. Okay, I would only be able to have a certification of completion when I actually sign in and thereby sign my completion. And this is what happens on the back end. Okay, so I'm going to go right over here and let me show you how your records will reflect that you are adherent to this standard. Okay, so I'm going to go to my stats area here, and I'll just scroll down to the section that shows completions. I can see exactly who all has not completed my training, but I'm interested in folks that have completed my training. And so you can see the individuals that have completed the training. And you see right over here, we have the e-signature log. This is important because this is what you will be able to download and send to any person or groups of people that require this completion stats from you. We not only show you the previous status of the course, but the current status of the course, and we do track the IP address from which the signature was performed. All right, so this is really a quick overview. There's a lot more. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. We have a validated system that ensures that your life sciences organization stays compliant with 21 CFR Part 11.